Hello, today we've got a 98 GMC Sierra SLE 1500, 87,000 miles, some nice upgrades, beautiful chrome trim, beautiful black paint, a little dirty today, it's winter time, sun's out, a little cold to wash it. Front disc brakes, tonneau cover, upgraded headlights, upgraded tail lights, air conditioning blows cold, nice bed mat, underneath it very little few minor scratches. Care of this truck. All power options, upgraded exhaust, cowl induction hood. Mileage shows as accurate, exempt for state of Michigan, but accurate for auto check. Custom bed liner, automatic transmission, factory AM, FM, and CD player, upgraded Sirius satellite radio, tinted windows, V8 5-liter engine, original glass, beautiful interior, power windows, power locks, power driver's side and remote side mirror, factory stickers in place. No cracks in the dash. The service engine soon light is on because there's a cold air intake that has been added. We'll see that under the hood. Radio works.
I told him I couldn't. I'm like, what? Why?
Pop the hood here a second. You can hear it running. Nice little V8 sound to it. Really clean under the hood. There's the cold air intake I was talking about. Newer battery. There's the air conditioning. Power disc brakes. You see how clean it is in here. Stickers. Everything works that we know about here. It's got that nice custom floor mat, goes all the way across, protects you from spills, 30 feet. Take a quick cruise in the parking lot here. Try not to run anybody over. Go. Visit us again at showdownauto.com. Have a great day. Got a little bit more open room here. See, accelerates nice, shifts nice. We'll do a stop, no hands on the wheel, dead stop. Stops perfectly straight. See here, good oil pressure. Battery's charging, engine's just warming up here because we just hopped in. Heat's blowing nice today. Just a nice truck. Visit us at showdownauto.com for pricing and availability.